A little view from our campground today. Is this Friday or Saturday?
Friday.
Friday. August 31st?
Yes.
August 31st. All right. Up there be Mount Hood. And we are at a BLM camping area. It's called something. Dang. Drawing a blank. Good gosh. This is just fabulous. Oh man. The road was crazy busy coming up here. So we don't know where everybody's going. Most of them were heading towards where we came. They were going south towards Madras and that area. So this will be our home for the night, maybe two. We'll see how Linda does if she doesn't get bored. So that little road leads out to somewhere. We had to take that. I had to go up and turn around because I couldn't make this turn right here. And then there's off this way, there's a lot of campground, camping areas back in there. And I really didn't want to get out there, get stuck in a place. So I chose this area over here, which is the old airstrip. Oh, it's called government camp. They used to have an airstrip right here. So I think it was for the U.S. Forest Service. And it's been long since abandoned. So there'll be people lined up along here to camp for the weekend maybe. There's a Trillium campground on down the way, and I just picked a spot right here by the trees, and a little uneven here, sorry. Big old rock area. There's enough room here if it gets crowded and somebody needs to park in here. I'm okay with that. Looks like a tent area right there. So this is free camping, 14 days. It's BLM property, and the sun is coming over in a little bit and help charge up the old batteries. Mount Hood is right over those trees, but that's okay. We could walk over and see them anytime we want. It's just 2 minutes away. So let's see how this goes. Got our tables out. Might do a little hiking here. Okay, Sunday night, and we've been about 4 days without power and just relying on solar. I capped off the couple of cells on the cheapo interstate type slash batteries that we have that came with the camper, and I noticed it didn't charge as much as usual, so the batteries are getting old. They're almost 2 years old. They'll be 2 years old in a month. And so I hooked up the generator. There's the electrical site with a plug-in, and then I have my Predator 2000. It's an 1800 or 1600 2000. So it's on economy mode right now. So you can see it runs really quiet. But when you're out in the middle of nowhere, even a pin drop sounds kind of loud. So I'm just going to run this for an hour or so. Maybe not even that long, maybe 30 minutes. Just to top off the batteries, which are, I checked the reading inside, and it's running at 13.2. It was 12.2 this morning, which is about 60% capacity, so that's why I wanted to get out and check things. So it's pretty quiet, but if I weren't boondocking and I were elsewhere in the city limits, I wouldn't fire that thing up. I'm not going to keep it going very long. Okay, so just a little bit of power management for you guys. Solar panels have been doing great, but if you don't have good batteries to store that energy, it doesn't really matter. It's going to be a nice evening. No wind, nothing. It is great out here.